Hello, I am Giant Trapcode and this is my channel. To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed to work with their sky. I won't give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their research. Want to remind that this channel's owner is self-taught and don't have professional design education. However, my videos can't save you much time because you mostly call, scripture and start processing right away. You won't learn how to make beautiful and simple background within couple of minutes, just following my steps on videos. I won't show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. On my second channel, Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage owner. Importing to your creation some footage as requires some Python plugins, science the speed of the processing to make this much easier. After the video, you can press anywhere and check my other videos on any of my other channels. I love you!